So I just made this. This is called. Hold on, I need to adjust something. Anyways, this is called a Su-27. It's a Russian airplane, and you can see I added modifications, missiles, ballistic missiles. They can't shoot, but like these aren't actually missiles. They're just for looks. And I'll show you how it flies. It defies every law of physics. It doesn't even need its engines. It'll just glide. And yeah, it's my biggest and best build. My build that's the most successful. I copied it because I copied it off of one of my other planes. I had it look exactly like this, and I think I built it, and it's better. It's bigger. It glides really good. It glides just like it. It doesn't even need a runway. It can just do a helipad landing. Here, I'll show you it. Hold on. Not that. Well, not that either. It's kind of hard to do though. If it wouldn't crash into the fence, it would have worked. Boom. Anyways, that's it. So yeah.